In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add categories on your Weebly website in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Weebly website, which you can find at weebly.com. This step is essential because without accessing the Weebly platform, we can't start setting up our categories. Once you're on the Weebly homepage, look for the login option. You'll need to enter your email and password. This is the key to accessing your personal Weebly account, where all your website management takes place. After you've filled in your login credentials, go ahead and click on the login button. This will take you directly to the dashboard where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the Weebly dashboard, your next move is to navigate to the overview section. This area provides a snapshot of your website's current setup. Once there, find and click on the Items tab. Doing so reveals options related to the various elements you can add to your site. With the Items section open, you'll now want to click on Site Categories. This will bring you to a page dedicated to managing all the different categories you can implement on your site, making it easier for your visitors to find related content. Next, click on Add Category. This is where you start the process of creating a new category tailored to your website's content. Once you've initiated the category creation process, one of the first fields you'll encounter is the category title. It's a straightforward but crucial step. Input a name that captures the essence of the grouping you're creating. After setting the title, click on Choose Items. Here you'll select the specific items or pages you want to associate with your new category. Choose the ones that fit best to make navigation easy and intuitive. After making your selections, click on Done. You're almost finished with your new category setup. However, a category can be more visually appealing with an image. To do this, choose Add Image, which allows you to upload an image that represents the category visually. Now let's enhance the visual layout further by selecting a header option. This step may seem minor, but it contributes significantly to the overall appearance of your category page. Next up is SEO optimization. Ensure you take time on this step. Optimizing for search engines is crucial for making your category and its contents easily discoverable by search users. Finally, click on Save. This is the final step that confirms and saves everything you've worked on. There you have it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully added a category to your Weebly website. Thanks for watching, and happy website building.